Yes, today we are going to learn or discuss about. You can access this video for all-page SEO strategies and the tactics which works fine for 2019 and beyond. These are the strategies which I have been implemented. It works fine for me. The same thing I'm looking which works for you. So let us check this. So what kind of off-page activities we do that will work in 2019 and beyond? Let's check into it. The first off-page activities go for guest blogging and graphics, and these are the main first strategy which works well. Try to do guest blogging, higher authority compared to your website, and graphic submission, higher authority and niche relevant submission. Look into this, have a beautiful infographics and search for guest blogging, infographics in your relevant niche. This will work, this tends to rank well for your readers. And one more strategy, video submission, right? Every website, everyone, video marketing will place a very huge role. Whereas one more strategy, podcast or the webinars. This tends to rank well for your website or the services. And all try to get a few backlinks at least from .edu and .gov websites. That tends to rank or to boost your authority of a website very high. And one more, the best opportunity, go for forums. Quora, Yahoo Answers, Stack Exchange, Stack Overflow. These are the forums which helps to you to rank well in the search results. And press releases. This is the off-page activity which tends to rank well in the search results. And blog commenting, high authority blog commenting. This will enable you to rank well. And article submission, this also will work well in 2019 and beyond. And finally we can move to image sharing. So sharing your page or the infographics through images using the long-term fast keywords, this tend to boost your website rankings. And social media form submission like social media buttons, social media updations relevant to your brand, relevant to your niche. Okay, and web 2.0 and PDF, slide share, directory submission, whereas social bookmarking and local business listing well tends to rank well. And backlinks always when you try to get from a niche, not irrelevant niche. Get from your niche relevant. If your project or your website is relevant to technology, try to get a backlink from technology website, either through guest blogging or guest posting, guest reforming. Then it will boost your ranking. Always keep in mind. See, now we will go deep into how to get a quality backlinks. Always keep in mind the backlinks what we get, it should be do follow backlink and high authority backlink and niche relevant backlink. So guys, I hope you understood how to get a good authority backlinks for your projects and what kind of backlink strategies will work for 2019 and beyond.